In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect A50 headset to Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your A50 headset on your Xbox One is super simple. You will be able to set it up by first acquiring the base station, connecting it to the console, and then you will be able to use the headset. So first, to set up the base station, you will be able to connect the included micro USB cable to the back of the base station and the other end to a USB port on your Xbox One. You can also connect the optical cable into the optical in port of the base station and the other end into the optical audio output on your Xbox One. So both of these cables will be provided when you purchase the A50 headset. So plug the micro USB and the optical cable into the station and then the other ends into the Xbox One console. With this done, you are mostly good to go. Make sure that the slider on the actual base station is set to Xbox. Once it is in Xbox mode, you will be able to dock your headset, and the next time that you take it out, it will automatically connect itself to the console. So if the console is turned on and you take a look at the dashboard, a new headset will be assigned, and now you are basically set up. You can go over to the sound settings and in there change some settings, like changing the optical audio to Dolby and configure it as the default output device, but for the most part, it will be plug and play. You can download the Dolby app on the Xbox if you want to configure additional settings, but as soon as you set up the base station and you connect it to your Xbox One through the USB cable and the optical cable, it is going to be ready to be used. So you don't have to worry about additional configuration. This is going to work for every single platform, and if you encounter problems while trying to do this, I recommend first connecting it to a PC and downloading the firmware update. Usually this can help any problems that you might be having when using the A50 headset. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect A50 headset to Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.